Alright, today I am going to be making picante beef flavored ramen noodles. Alright, so let me get started by turning on the stove. Alright, turning on the stove, heating up the water. So I'm going to be making picante beef flavored ramen noodles, as you can see right here. I'm also going to have some kimchi juice that I'm going to add to that, as well as the red sauce I'm going to add to the recipe for flavoration. All right, so let's go ahead and get started by opening up the pack of ramen noodles. All right, so I'm going to open up the pack of ramen noodles and taste the crunchies and wait for the water to boil. Once the water's brought to a boil, I'm going to take my ramen noodles and I'm going to remove it from the package, and then I'm going to break them in fours. All right, 2, 3. All right, and place it in there and wait for the noodles to cook to al dente. And I'm also going to take the crunchies and I'm going to pour the crunchies in there just like that. Remember, it's important to stir them at least once with a fork to make sure that the noodles get cooked fully to al dente. All right, once the noodles have been cooked to al dente, you're going to take the water and strain 90% of the water. Once you drain 90% of the water, you're going to bring the ramen noodles back onto the stove and turn on the fire. And then you're going to add a little bit of kimchi juice on top. I'm going to get it close so you can see the kimchi juice on top. See the kimchi juice? Pour the kimchi juice on top. All right. Then I'm going to add the picante sauce, beef flavored picante sauce, right on top, just like that. All right. And then I'm going to add the red sauce, all right, on top, like that. Just a little bit for a little bit of spiceration. And then I'm going to take my fork and I'm just going to stir them all together, just like that. And you're just going to keep on boiling them for another 10 seconds. All right. Once that you got it, the noodles are done cooking, you're going to get a bowl and you're just going to take the ramen noodles and just pour it into the bowl like this. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me zoom in so you can see this. Smells great. Smell it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.